Another video. Today we're playing a noob versus a pro. That guy right there, it's one of his first times playing Westbound. That's right, Westbound. So today he's going to be hunting me down before I get 250. To make this easier for him, I can only get $70 per bank. Well, $80. And every minute I have to escape the bank. If I do not, then I have to give him a hint. So getting that started off, we're gonna do a fight. Whoever wins will get a hint, and if I win, you will be spawned in the corner of the map. Alright, so let's get this started with 1, 3, 2. Alright guys, if you came from the video, welcome to the video. This is our first video. Today it's just gonna be me and this dude, this noob. Yeah, he's also on the call. He's also low, and he's dead. And that's right, guys, dude. I can now start hiding. I have to start hiding, and I have to give this guy hints every 30 seconds.
Where do you want me to spawn at?
Spawn at let's see. Spawn at Red Rocks Camp.
Okay. So now I just hunt you?
Yeah, you just hunt me. And if you want to see where I am, there should be a menu button to see the map and where the map is, which is in the middle, if you're on mobile.
I need money.
And to make it easier for him, because he probably won't even see me a single time in this entire video since we start, I'm actually gonna go up to him and kill him multiple times, so he can suffer.
The heck, dude?
So the goal of the video, So the goal of the video is to get $250 and 5 kills. For him, he has to get 1 kill. Until he kills me, the video's over. And sorry if the video is 5 hours long. Sorry if the video is 5 hours long, guys. He's just a noob. Well, let's get this started with. Don't have any diamondite, so I have to rob manually. Just great.
Leave me alone. Oh, fuck.
And every 5 minutes I have to go hunt this guy down, even though he's supposed to hunt me. Alright, guys. Alright, so I guess this register does have money. Alright, so Andy, you are at... Let's see.
I'm nowhere, bro.
You're still at Red Rocks, bro. Have you moved like a foot?
Yes, I did. I'm selling stuff. I need money, bro.
Alright, guys,
Like,
so our next destination is Red Rocks Camp.
shit.
Oh,
Brody,
look,
how do I
that's
Brody?
perfect. Bro, that's actually perfect. There's a bear chasing me. I'm gonna bring them all the way to Red Rocks Camp. Hey, yo, bear. Yeah. Oh, stop leaving the area. No, come back here. Why are you leaving? Come back here, you little. Okay. I guess they can't leave their area.
Where are you at?
Well, where are you at? Oh, actually, let me just check the map. And you moved a centimeter from where you were. That's why you just right. Going this way, I guess.
Holy shit. They say that faith can move a mountain, but I'm built for the climb. Tell me, my faithful, are just stubborn. Tell me, what will I find? Happy at the top, at the end of your life. Oh, at the end of my life, oh, tell me how my climb will be. Um,
Alright, guys, so our strategy is to use 2 big diamondite on him and shoot him until I kill him 5 times. And then I'm gonna rob the bank.
oh, man. Oh, I see where you're at now. Ah.
Alright, guys, he's across the street. He's across the ladder, bro. Alright, guys, let's see. Let's see this guy. Let's see. Alright, where we won, guys. Where
Holy
we won.
shit.
We're gonna kick this guy. If he kills me, the video's over. And he missed that diamondite. Only if he knew that diamondite was horrible on a horse fight. So only if he knew.
Oh
Come
my
here, little
god.
boy. Come here. Oh, wait. Bro, where are you going? Bro, you know what? At this point, bro, just come here, little boy. Come here.
Ah!
Here.
Dude,
Come
my
here.
god.
Come here. Oh, yeah. See, that's the first kill. That's the first kill of the fight, guys. All right.
Okay.
All right, let's just wait till he spawns so I can kill him again.
Oh, these spots far away from you.
All right, guys,
Bad.
he spawned at the exact same spot. We're going back over there.
Leave me alone. My gun does not want to shoot.
All right, first we're gonna go to Stone Creek for some money, and then we're gonna hunt him down alive. This challenge is very, very easy since this guy is a noob, even though. I'm at Stone Creek. It's the place you spawned earlier.
I just wanna be your love.
I'm also heading
I
right near
just
your
wanna
horse. Hey guys, we see this dude. Oh yeah, I see him. I see him. I see you. I see you, little boy.
You do not see me, man.
He's across the mountain, guys. He's across the mountain. We gotta go faster. Oh, brother. He's literally across the entire mountain that I just went through. And he's cooked. Alright, buddy.
Leave me alone.
Alright guys, that's the second kill. Oh my gosh, I can't die. If I die, this video ends, and I almost died to a wolf. Not great, not great. Okay, where did this guy spawn? He spawned at the exact same spot, guys. We're gonna gatekeep Red Rock's camp. Hey, since you're a newbie, I'll give you a hint. Look in your inventory. You should see a knife.
I don't need your help. Oh, Tammy. Oh.
Alright guys, so where is this guy? Where is this guy? Where is this guy? Oh wait, he's right next to me! Oh. But where is he though?
I'm not next to you.
Where is he exactly? Let's see. Okay, so he's not deep in the camp.
Holy shit.
Oh, I see him! Oh guys, I think we found our third kill.
Shit.
Will he survive? Will he actually not be a newbie this time? Will he? Will he not? Yes, he will not, because I already trying to kill him, dude, and this guy's already dead. Oh yeah, this guy's already dead, guys, so let's just wait till he spawns once again. Alright, guys, this is gonna be a target because he's so easy, guys. Alright, let's see. Where he spawns? Guys, he spawns at Fort Offer, guys. Right, he spawned at the other side of the map. And by the way, guys, just to make it clear, he's the hunter, and I killed him 4 times. So, yeah.
Why did you pick me? Why did you pick me from everybody else, man?
Because it's great for content. Alright, our next video will have 4 hunters except for 1. This one's just 1 newbie compared to an actual pro. So this is just showing how bad a newbie is.
I'm a bacon, okay? I'm a bacon, okay?
Exactly, guys. Bacons are most likely noobs. And that's been rumored for years in Roblox, and still has been gatekeeping because it's literally true. Let's see where this guy's at. And he's moved. But where has he moved? Because I don't even see him. Oh, I see him on the map. Oh, he's right next to me. Oh, he's literally right next to me. Oh, bud, why are you a tumbleweed?
I'm not. It's right there.
Alright guys, he's not a tumbleweed. I don't know where this guy is though. I'm at Grave Bridge right now, so I'm gonna get some money before I start hunting him.
Grave Bridge. You are not a Grave Bridge. I can see you in tumbleweed. Try fooling me.
I'm at Grave Bridge and holy
you are
yeah.
not a Grave Bridge.
So I can't. So alright. So I'm getting like a couple $80, and I can't find this guy. Can't find him. But sadly, I can't find him.
Bro, stop capping up his name.
Imagine if he was at Fort Cassidy going into the base. That'd be crazy. Wouldn't it?
Imagine if he was.
Would it be crazy if I was just behind him?
my god, I can hear something.
Can't get away. Just deal with your death. Oh yeah.
Oh, holy shit.
Kill him, guys.
Enemy. No,
Oh my gosh, guys. Can't damage others in a safe zone. He's safe. He's safe for now. Come here, little boy. Come here. Fight with your consequences. Oh, hold up. You have to get out of the base. Get out. Get out of the base, little boy. Yeah. Kill him, Wolf. Kill him, Wolf. Kill him, Wolf. Yeah, Wolf. Wolf is gonna do the job for me. Oh, yeah. Kill him. Yeah, kill him. Oh, look at him. He's a good boy. Go farther. Go farther. Go farther.
Yo, I'm lagging. I'm lagging.
Go back. Go over there. Go over there, little boy. All right, we'll finish you. Yeah, go over there. Go over here. 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 Be a good boy. Hold on. Let me rob you.
You
Let me
can't
rob
damage me here.
Let me rob you.
You can't damage me here.
Can't rob in a safe space. No. Actually, hey Wolf, come over here. Hey, come over here. Come over here. All right, guys, we're gonna start running from him. He's totally a very scary man.
Oh, this fucking wolf.
Wolf, go hunt him. Wolf, go hunt him. Wolf, hunt him. Wolf, what are you doing? He's
Why
not
is
even
that not good here?
Wolf, what are you doing?
What is
Let's go. Wolf,
Oh,
that's the wrong
oh,
direction. Yeah.
oh.
Good boy. Keep it on going. Good boy. That's my little doggy right there. He's not even targeting me. And he's stuck. Get out. Get out. Okay, you should have been a sheriff. So we can actually be inspected. You just have to be. Yeah, just have to.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Leave me alone. Get out of here. Go back to Tumbleweed, where you belong. Go back to
Why
Tumbleweed.
can I not damage you? Why can I not damage you?
Get back to the mines, little boy. Get back to the mines.
Oh, no, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Get on your knees. No, guys, he actually struggled me. Wait. Oh my gosh. I clutched it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
No!
Oh yeah, guys.
Yo, my phone is at 2%.
That's crazy. Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. I killed him 5 times and got $200.
I quit.
Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Remember...
Yo, I'm gonna see if I can do this later, because my dad's calling me.
Alright. Bye guys. Well, see you guys next video this month. Bye.
Part two coming soon.
Yeah, part 2 coming too. I'll tell you all the info you need. Just go check out the info video in the bio. Alright, just go into my channel and you'll find it. You'll find it. Alright? You'll find it. You'll find it. Alright, bye. Alright, guys. That's the end of today's video. Bye.